Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Micah, and today we're going to be making mashed cauliflower, which is basically the perfect side dish to any meal. So let's go ahead and get started. For the mashed cauliflower, you're going to need cauliflower, cilantro, black pepper, salt and garlic powder, adobo, and chicken bouillon cubes. Alright, now that I've already cleaned the cauliflower, let's go ahead and pour the cauliflower into the pot and then add water for it to be boiled. Let's go ahead and boil the cauliflower. While the cauliflower is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and cut the cilantro just so it'll be ready by the time the cauliflower is done. I think the cauliflower should be boiling by now, so let's just go ahead and check it to see how it is. And I just continuously poke the cauliflower while it's boiling until it's very soft. Okay, now let's go ahead and season the cauliflower. We have our salt, pepper, garlic powder, adobo, and the chicken bouillon. And I just break up the cube a little as I drop it into the cauliflower. And I'll probably let that boil a little more just to soften the cauliflower even more. As you can see, the cauliflower is very soft and now it's ready to be drained and put in the strainer. And I just use this wooden spatula to mash the cauliflower against the strainer and get all the excess water out of it so it could be that perfect mash texture and consistency. Okay, now the cauliflower is fully strained. So let's go ahead and pour it in the bowl. And now add the cilantro that was cut earlier. Mix that around. And there's the mashed cauliflower.